Well guys, today we are going to discuss very confusing topic, that is the difference between gerund phrase and participle phrase. But before I start this lecture, so I have one request. If you learn something from it, so please subscribe my channel and like my video for my encouragement to bring for you such lessons. Basically, a participle phrase and a gerund phrase are very easy to confuse because both starts with ing form of verb. But only one thing which draws a distinctive line in them is their function in a sentence. You need to remember that a participle phrase only functions as an adjective in a sentence. What is an adjective? Yes, a participle phrase only functions as an adjective in a sentence. For example, a boy writing on the paper needs ink. In this sentence, writing on the paper is a participle phrase because it starts with ing form of verb, and here it functions as an adjective because it modifies a boy, just like a normal adjective. Walking down the street, I saw Smith. In this sentence again, walking down the street is a participle phrase because it gives us information about the subject I. Because I was walking down the street, and that time I saw Smith. So here walking down the street is a participle phrase, but here it functions just like an adjective because it modifies I. A man standing by the tree is teacher. Again, in this sentence, standing by the tree is participle phrase because it functions like an adjective in a sentence because it modifies the subject a man. A gerund phrase is different from a participle phrase because a gerund phrase cannot function as an adjective in a sentence. But if it doesn't function as an adjective in a sentence, so what does it do in a sentence? A gerund phrase can be a subject, an object, and subject complement or object of the preposition. Watching TV with friends is my favorite activity. Here, watching TV with friends is gerund phrase and functions as the subject of the sentence. Playing cricket is a good exercise. Here, playing cricket is gerund phrase and functions as the subject of the sentence. My biggest problem is watching TV till midnight. Here in this sentence, watching TV till midnight is gerund phrase, but here it functions as a subject complement. He wanted to learn more about starting a new business. He is very interested in watching action movies. Here in these two sentences, starting a new business and watching action movies are gerund phrases, but here it functions as object of preposition because prepositions are in and about.